Welcome, in front of me is the OPPO Reno7, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notification panel and look for the toggle, which for me, let's see if I can find it quickly, is right here on the second page. So this is the default location of my toggles, and hopefully you can find your Do Not Disturb mode toggle in the same exact place. Now anyway, once you find it, first time around, I recommend holding it. This will take you to the settings where you can customize how it will function. So as you can see, we have the toggle itself to turn it on. We have a schedule, so you can set up so it turns on and off automatically. And then we have exceptions, so you can accept or basically select who can bypass this mode. So when it's enabled, some people can basically still call you, as an example, depending on how you set it up. Message you, I can allow notifications, and also you have this option right here, ring for repeated callers. So if someone calls you twice within a 3-minute period, they will completely bypass whatever you have selected right here and basically call you without a problem. Now anyway, once you went through the settings right here and customize them to your liking, you can close this and let's find the toggle again. Whenever you want to use it, you'll then simply tap on it, select turn on, and as you can see, it is right now enabled, which you can see based on this moon icon right over here. And additionally, if you decided to go with the schedule option instead, just make sure that the schedule itself in the settings is turned on, and that's all you need to do. You don't need to toggle it on like this. But for everybody who's using it manually, once you turn it on, remember to turn it off. There is nothing really well, if you don't remember about it, it will just kind of run indefinitely in the background till you actually turn it off. But anyway, this is how you could set it up and use the Do Not Disturb mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.